Welcome to Brilliant Infosystems. Our AI video analytics platform transforms existing CCTV cameras into intelligent monitoring systems for workplace safety, security, and operational visibility. Traditional CCTV systems rely on manual monitoring, making it difficult to detect safety violations, unauthorized access, fire incidents, and operational issues in real time. Brilliant integrates with your existing CCTV infrastructure without replacing cameras. Live video feeds are securely processed by our AI analytics engine using advanced computer vision and artificial intelligence. The platform automatically detects people, vehicles, equipment, and workplace activities while identifying PPE violations, unauthorized access, restricted area intrusion, fire, smoke, loitering, and unsafe behaviors in real time. Instant alerts are sent to operators through centralized dashboards and mobile notifications, enabling faster response and improved incident management. Beyond safety and security, the platform delivers operational intelligence with occupancy monitoring, people counting, vehicle movement tracking, warehouse activity analytics, and production monitoring, while integrating seamlessly with ERP, industrial IoT, and enterprise systems. With Brilliant AI video analytics, organizations improve workplace safety, strengthen security, reduce manual monitoring, accelerate incident response, and gain complete operational visibility, delivering greater efficiency, enhanced compliance, and faster return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.